Good day, my name is Jürgen Blum, and today I want to show you one of the exceptional new features of the NETZSCH TG 209 F1 Libra. One of the major issues in the past with thermogravimetric analyzers was always the baseline or blank runs, which were required to get accurate and reliable test results on the later samples. With the TG209, this is no longer necessary. When we look for a typical measurement curve in a thermobalance, we look for the mass change versus temperature or time. And when we look for a baseline run or a blank run, it typically looks like this. And the phenomenon we see here is, first of all, we see an increase in the measured mass, which is due to Ramoncy effects, so a typical effect which is caused by the decrease in density of the gas inside the thermal analyzer. With higher temperatures, we get a slight decrease of the measured signal, which is due to the changing gas flow rate at the sample holder. The baseline itself can differ from thermobalance to thermobalance and from instrument to instrument. It depends on the volume inside the sample chamber, the design and the structure of the sample holder itself. Generally, those effects were corrected by carrying out a baseline run prior to the sample tests, which were done always when measurement conditions were changing or when new temperature regimes were running. Those effects are no longer necessary when you use the new TG209 F1 Libra. Here, the baseline looks like this. It's already flat. And the main reason for this is all the effects I mentioned before have a physical origin. And when you understand the physics, you can already correct for this without doing a baseline run. So all this is flat, and you can simply do a sample test without doing a baseline before. And the feature which generates such flat baseline, it's called BeFlat, and as mentioned, it considers for the physical influences already, so in most cases a baseline test is no longer required. This increases sample throughput and therefore efficiency of the instrument. This is Jürgen Blum from NETZSCH Gerätebau, Germany.